Today we're going to talk about getting started. First, we want to thank you for downloading Brainerd Kids. But you might be asking yourself, now what? No worries. Today we'll show you how to quickly get things set up and on to getting your child earning while learning. After downloading and installing, you'll be prompted with this screen. Either sign back in, or if you don't have an account, sign up. We've selected the sign up option for this video. Let's start by tapping the profile photo icon and adding a picture. Choose whatever you like. Next, we'll tap on Gallery. Now tap Allow and then select and crop the picture you chose. Then follow each prompt and enter a name, email address, and password. Again, this can be anything you choose. Once complete, sign in and you're ready to add your first child profile. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe and tap that bell for new upcoming videos. Also, don't forget to watch Setting Up a Child Profile for your next step.